This freaking BRZ has a damn blow-up ball in here.
Love the plate too. Illegal.
This guy literally just came out of his car. Uh-oh. Good morning, guys. Today is shit, I forgot today's date. But anyways, it's pretty cold outside. 11:46 right now. 54 degrees out. It's supposed to get warmer. But today is the closer, which for Illinois, I guess the suburb area, northwest suburbs, just surrounding Chicago and stuff like that. That is like the last big event for the season, for like the car meet season. I'm gonna go get a dash mount for the GoPro, so I have some POV driving. And then gonna get this car actually cleaned up a little bit because last time I washed it, I didn't have a towel, and it's like kind of gross on the sides of the car. But gonna get a little mount to put the GoPro here or somewhere, maybe on like the windshield. But yeah, that's really the plan. Yeah, let's come along for the ride. You guys can see that, but there is a Subaru Forester. It honestly sounds pretty good. It's pretty slammed in the back though, but yeah, people are coming out to the closer meet, so not surprised that Slam Gang is coming out. We're here. Yes, sir. Secure the bag. Nice. Second stop. We're gonna Walmart. Gotta grab a towel because last time I messed up and basically washed my car. I think got it dirty straight up with it in like 20 seconds. But yeah, it's kind of cold out. The flag is like hella flowy, so I don't know, but definitely need to grab a towel. So yeah, here at the gas station. I'm at the gas station, fucking car wash. It's actually not that bad. Gonna wash the car, of course. I bought some stuff from Walmart. Let's quickly check it out. Of course, I had to buy the microfiber towels. Just the big one, and then small ones for the wax because obviously you can't use the same towel. I also wanted to buy some tire shine, just to make not make these Michelin Pilot Sports crack. It is cold out, so might as well have this, and I feel like this will come in handy again. And finally, the ceramic wax by Mothers. Haven't tried this one. I've tried McGuire's and then the turtle wax, but we're gonna see how well this one holds up. Yeah. Well, just got done washing the car, and it's actually kind of crazy. Supra's all clean, but we have two other guys here, a 350Z and another black Supra. Funny enough, when I was driving to the export around here, I actually ran into this black Supra right here. He is the export manager at another location, and he just so happened to be at the one I went to. But these guys are both going to the show. Hella cool guys. Supra's all done, wax, well, washed, wax, tire shine, everything. And yeah, guys, I'll see you there. Shout out to my buddy Chris. He was the one in the Reddit S2K in the last video. The Supra, for some reason, loves to collect brake pad dust, and he said just, you know, wash your wheels with some ceramic wax. So I ceramic wax the outside and, you know, all the spokes of the wheels. Obviously still on the inside of the wheels it's gonna have some accumulation of brake dust, but in my opinion right now it looks a lot better than what it usually looks like right after a wash. Right after a wash it just looks covered in brake dust already. Gotta love BMW brakes. But man, it looks so good. Well, I think it looks so good. But yeah, I'm gonna test out the mounting for this GoPro mount thingy on the car, so I can give you guys some nice buttery smooth POV shots. Not only did I get a wash, Mingu got a wash too. Damn, in his black TLX Type S. So nice. After owning a black car, because I had a black NX200T, it's like definitely a lot of work to keep black very clean, but it looks really good. All right, we just finished eating and we're gonna head over to the meet. Right now it is about,
mark ahead.
Shut up, unit in, 3:30. The meet's already been going on, but you know, no one goes to the meet early right now. So we go over to the meet and check out some cool cars. I need to mute this guy. He didn't.
He didn't?
Yeah, he just told us to pull up here.
Okay.
Yeah.
I got you.
First one.
Number 1.
And then the second one is bottom here.
And number 2. General admission. So just park on this side, please.
On which side?
The right side.
Got it. All right. Anywhere?
Yeah, anywhere on the right side.
All right. Thank you. Let's hold this.
Taco, what do you do up here?
Proceed to the route.
Wow, there's a lot of cars over there. But we just got parked up. Cars are starting to come in. We only did GE, so we're on this side. I think everybody who's on GE is on this side, and then the show is on that side. Yeah, first spot, RX-7. Look at this crazy ass turbo here. Man, that's insane. Black RX-7, no hood, huge turbo. Not bad. Anime Porsche, anime BRZ, anime BRZ. Anime girls, fitting. Of course, we have the R35 Skyline, ETS decal, huge ass tires. I wonder what he's running. Looks like a drag car. Looks nice. Someone brought a freaking hearse here. What the heck? Not about that life. They decked it out Halloween style, so I guess. I like how they have the skeletons in the driver's seat. The driver and passenger seat. It's kind of funny. It's an on BMW next to a M6. Beamer boys. Beamer gang. We stumbled upon the Audi R8 that was at Kaufman Estates Cars and Coffee. Check these guys out. Next to Z, I think that's an Eclipse, and the Alfa Romeo Giulia. Nice. Oh, next to the red NSX over there too. These were the same Audis we saw at the Cars and Coffee in Hoffman Estates. That one has a Crown Rally sticker on it. Bumper deletes for days. This one's kind of crazy, but damn. R8s, those are pretty crazy. We have Mingo over here taking a look at the Alfa Romeo. I don't know if this color's a wrap or not, but it doesn't seem like it. I mean, it has a shirt, like a shamrock on the side, so maybe it's a spec. Who knows? But the green right next to the red RCF, so nice. Love that red. These guys are watching Top Gun. The BRZ with the blow-up ball has fucking Top Gun playing from his chassis mount spoiler. That's pretty crazy.
Just use the engine. Why are we taking it to the yard?
That's definitely a blow-up doll.
To fix the engine.
Wow. That's so fucking loud. Fuckboy festivities happening right now. One of our friends, Finney, had a Miata in British Racing Green as well. But this one's just so nice and well kept. He sold it to some local guy, so this might be that one. And I think it has the original seats in it too. Oh, there's someone in there. I think it has the original seats in it too. Yeah, that's awkward. Nice Rolls Royce here. Is this a Ghost? V12 twin turbo. Dang. With the huge ass wheels. I wonder if these are 20s. These are insane. Wow, look at that. Oh, what is this? Definitely a Bears fan. This is a Ghost or a Wraith or a Phantom. I heard though that inside the Rolls Royce cabin, it's so quiet that they actually have to add bits of sound because people can't handle like the quietness of Rolls Royce cabins. That's pretty insane.
BMW M2 comp, completely animate out. But I was gonna get this car before the Supra. I know I have a friggin' long list of cars I was gonna get before the Supra, but this one looks so nice. Raised wheels. He even dressed up the whole engine with like carbon fiber bits. You guys can see that when you bump up the ISO. It's not bad. Really nice. I love the M2 seats as well, or the comp seats. You know, the M3 has them too, and then obviously manual gearbox. Really nice. Black Supra, the guy that we met at the car wash, as well as yellow Supra right here, and then my Supra is like all the way over there. We have a Mark IV Supra next to the CA Corvette, and looks like they're doing some modeling. All right, so Mingo and I just got back. We had to do some stuff at home, but the event's from 3 to 9, and it's only like 6 o'clock right now, and we think that a lot of other supercars and, you know, enthusiasts are going to come out at night when the weather gets a little bit more cool. So that's our dog Charlie. But yeah, we're just back for now. They did allow for re-entry. There's my wristband right here. So you have a wristband, you're allowed for re-entry. So yeah, we're gonna chill out at home for a little bit, eat, maybe chill out by the fire, and then go back there. We're actually gonna go to H Mart right now and get some samgyeopsal for the grill. Obviously the Supra is only a 2-seater, so we're gonna take the TLX Type S. It's only a 20-minute drive, but plans might be changing. We might not actually go to the night meet. We'll see. I'm go over here trying to figure out how much samgyeopsal we need. Can't forget coffee. Boss coffee. Right? Yeah. Damn, look at those wheels. That's American car. American muscle right here at its finest. Actually, we didn't end up going to the meet. We just kind of barbecued and hung out. But instead, we're going to go to this place called Streets of Woodfield. And Woodfield is a mall. And I guess Streets of Woodfield, a lot of cars hang out. Thinking about grabbing some dessert, going over there, and hopefully just snapping some pics, because there's this cool area where it's like a little small, what looks like a little small town, and I always wanted to grab like some pics there. So we're gonna take the Supra and of course the Type S, and yeah, do a little photo shoot at night. All right, so we're at the spot now. Yeah, it's like a big street basically. This is what Streets of Woodfield basically is, and I want to take some pics of these two cars here, the Supra and the Type S. Some guys are doing some like takeover ass shit in the parking lot over there. I'm pretty sure they're high schoolers, but yeah. Super random, but we just kind of stumbled across a little meet in Streets of Woodfield. Supra parked up with the Type S, and then we have M2, M5, a couple cars over here, Civic, RSX, Eclipse, and then I think that's a Jet over there, and then we have a couple cars over there, Maserati. Yeah, this place is pretty chill. Security came by once, but apparently we can be here until 11:30. Right now it's not 11:30 yet, so we're gonna just hang out a little bit and kind of see where the night takes us. Damn, that's nice. See, yo, I love this IS300 though. This color, nice.
Oh, it's right hand drive too.
32 pulled up, nice. The Z. Classic. I'm like 100% sure my camera's about to die now. So if my camera dies, I think that's just the end of the video here. I'm gonna stop it. Today was a crazy day. Went to a car show, had barbecue, did a photo shoot, and then went to another car show. And so, yeah, thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Peace. He's launching it.
Oh my god, 무서워.
He's gone.